Hey guys, James Johnson with Remax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. I'm at our 183 store with a 2020 Harris Sunliner. This is a 250, which is about 26 feet in total length. And this boat has Sapphire black fencing with the black rails, black Bimini top frame. It has a wonderfully contrasting silver metal flake axle stripe. This boat looks a lot sharper than your average pontoon boat. Coming back to the transom, this one's powered with a Mercury 150 4-stroke. This boat has the 3 full-length pontoons on it, and that enhances the boat's performance. It planes really early, and it's a much improved ride and handling. Everything about a tri-tune is better than the old 2-log pontoons. And they go even several steps further. They put aluminum underskinning underneath the deck, which knocks down the spray, makes for a really quiet, quality ride. Okay, this Sunliner has our ever-popular single lounge seating. This has a wonderful lounge area back here that flip-flops, so you can sit here as you're watching the kids and family swim off the back of the boat and lounge in the seat. The thing I really like is it has this awesome storage compartment back here. You can put a ton of gear, life jackets, all your bunkers, dock lines, all of that can live in this compartment. It has safety rails and chains for when you're underway. You can secure the area back here. It does have a gate here at the transom also. Coming in the interior, this is the French gray colored interior with a soft touch. And if you notice, this is really soft here. This is a little bit firmer, so it gives you a really nice lumbar support on your back. Again, comfort is the key on a modern pontoon boat. You also notice this Sunliner is put double engine tops zip together so you can save the entire cockpit. Coming to our helm, we've got Simrad navigation right here. We have a Fusion stereo, Bluetooth capable, rocker switches to control all your accessories and all your lighting and everything. You have in here storage underneath all of these seats. And the way these hinge away, it allows you to get into the storage compartment without having to fight the seat base or the lid. It has 4 speakers in the cockpit. It has courtesy lighting, colored courtesy lighting in it. Colored lighting in the drink holders. This also features the ski lock and ski floor. Plenty of room to put water sports equipment in. Anything that's long, you can stick it here. Right? It has a buffer liner in here. It's a plastic mesh that keeps the stuff from rattling while you're underway. This boat has, count them, 4 gates. One at the transom, 2 at port and starboard, and 1 here up at the back. Very easy to climb in and out of this boat. Very safe to climb in and out of this boat also. If you're looking for a modern, comfortable pontoon boat with all of the nuances that are available today, this Harris 250 Sunliner fits the bill.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have questions about these models or any of the other models in our inventory, feel free to contact us at any of our 3 locations in Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio. We will see you on the water.